I am Chef Cassie, and this is Mini Corn Dog Recipe. Most of the time, we only get to have corn dogs at festivals and fairs, but I'm going to show you a recipe where you can have corn dogs all year long. Get the kids in the kitchen to help you. Let's get started. Now I'm going to start by mixing a cup of cornmeal, a cup of flour, a quarter cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and about a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix my dry ingredients together first. Then once my dry ingredients are all incorporated, I'm going to add the wet. I'm going to add an egg and a cup of club soda. I like using club soda versus milk because it gives them a nice, light, airy feel. We're going to start by putting our hot dogs in flour. By rolling our hot dogs in flour, that's going to make the batter stick to the hot dogs. Then we're going to drop it right into the batter. Once your hot dogs are nice and coated in your batter, off to the deep fryer. It's on 325 degrees. The corn dogs are going to start to float, and then they're going to flip all by themselves. When they're brown, they are ready. Now you can enjoy corn dogs at home all year long.